Hi, this is Mrs. Fiedler, and today we are going into day 3 of our state's research project. In a moment, what I would like you to do is go to our Google Classroom, and under Sources of Information, I want you to click Greetings Day 3, number 6. So far in this project, you have used the My United States books to gather information about your state. Today, let's explore digital resources to add interesting information to your research spreadsheet. As you find cool facts, just add new columns to your spreadsheet. As a reminder, your copy of the spreadsheet is in your Google Drive under Greetings. The first link below is a spreadsheet of official state websites, tourism sites, and sites with cool facts. Take the time to evaluate these resources. What do the suffixes on the websites mean? .gov, .edu, .com. How can you use website suffixes to evaluate the information found on a website? The second link is for nationalgeographickids.com. Explore your state's page on that site. Enjoy learning more about your state. So let's go to the first link. This is the spreadsheet of websites. So Mrs. Body has compiled some websites for your research to help with your research. We have official websites, tourism websites, and cool facts. It's important to notice what the suffix of a URL or an address of a website is. For instance, this one here is .gov, which stands for government. This is .com, which stands for commerce. You'll sometimes see .org for organization. So whenever you are using digital resources, make sure you pay close attention to what the suffix is and think about what sites you would trust more than others and why. You want to think about who is who is the source of the information, and if they're objective or not, or if they have if they're trying to persuade you to think the way they want you to think. So make sure you're aware of that and thinking about that and evaluating that as we go along. Have you ever heard of the expression, how do you eat an elephant? The answer is one bite at a time. We're not actually talking about eating an elephant. Look at how cute this elephant is. He's like, I want to be your friend, don't eat me. No, we're not talking about an elephant. We are making an analogy. We're making a comparison. And what this expression means is whenever you are faced with an overwhelmingly large project, rather than get overwhelmed, you need to break it into smaller pieces so that you just focus on one piece at a time. And I have found a tool that I think would be really useful for this. It's called a Scrum board. A Scrum board is used in business. It started off in computer programming when you have a massive project like creating a new video game and you have lots of teams working on the same project. The Scrum board is a way for the teams to keep track of where they are in the process and also for the manager to see who might need extra help. If you notice on our Scrum board, we have colorful words throughout the Scrum board. Those words coincide with the 4 steps in our EWISE research model. So for instance, the first step was wonder. The W in EWISE is wonder, and that's when you decided which state you wanted to learn more about. I think all of our teams have done this. They've saved a copy of their spreadsheet in their Google Drive, and I think most, if not all, of our teams have shared their spreadsheet with a partner. If you find that you didn't do that, that's okay. That's the step you're at right now. Everyone, I believe, has started to use the book to complete their spreadsheet. They're starting to investigate to learn more about their state. And then today we're going to use those digital resources to complete your worksheet or add to your worksheet. In the weeks to come, we're going to be doing these other steps, but right now, today, we're just going to focus on digital resources. So today's mission is, I want you to put your name and your partner's first name on a sticky note. They are located at the circulation desk. And I want you to add that sticky note to the Scrum board to show wherever you are in the research process. There is no right or wrong answer. You just put it wherever you are in the process. Then I want you to go to our Google Classroom to find that spreadsheet of official state websites and nationalgeographickids.com. These are the only sites that I want you to be looking at. And finally, at the 10-minute mark, we will make an alarm, ring the bell to let you know that you can check out books if you want to, or if you want to continue working on your research, you are welcome to do that as well. If you have any questions, ask me or your substitute, and happy researching.